TradingSim, the #1 market replay platform in the world, where you can learn to trade like a pro at your own pace.
In this video, we are going to highlight a few of the trading strategies we detailed in the article Top 6 Bollinger Bands Trading Strategies. The first strategy we will cover in this video illustrates how to trade double bottoms using Bollinger Bands. The first bottom of this formation tends to have substantial volume and a sharp price pullback that closes outside of the lower Bollinger Band. These types of moves typically lead to what is called an automatic rally. The high of the automatic rally tends to serve as the first level of resistance in the base building process that occurs before the stock moves higher. After the rally commences, the price attempts to retest the most recent lows that have been set to test the vigor of the buying pressure that came in at that bottom. This double bottom trade example is of Solar City. The stock hit a fresh low of $28.52, piercing through the lower band with a volume of 340,000 shares. The next swing low came in 3 hours later and slightly lower at $28.35. This represented a drop of over 70% in volume. In addition, on the second low, the candlestick printed completely outside of the band. To quickly recap the setup, we have lighter volume, lower volatility, and price outside of the bands. What do you think happened next? Solar City had a nice 4.5% bounce from lunchtime through the remainder of the day. The next strategy covers how to trade reversals with Bollinger Bands. For example, instead of shorting a stock as it gaps up through its upper band limit, wait to see how that stock performs. If the stock gaps up and then closes near its low and is still completely outside of the Bollinger Bands, this is often a good indicator that the stock will correct on the near term. In this case, you will want to short the false strength with the expectation the weak longs will fold and close their positions as the stock begins to come back inside of the bands. Jack in the Box had a nice pop on the open. Notice how the stock never made a higher high after the first candlestick, which was completely outside of the bands. The stock then rolled over and dropped nearly 6% by lunch. The key factor with the reversal strategy is your stop. You do not want to be on the wrong side of things, and what you think is a reversal ultimately continues in the direction of the primary trend. The last strategy for today's video covers how to ride the bands for big profits. The single biggest mistake that many Bollinger Band novices make is that they sell the stock when the price touches the upper band or buy when it reaches the lower band. This is an example of Avid Technology where the stock had a huge price surge on the open. The first candle penetrated the upper band on the open. This violent run-up is often where novice traders exit their position prematurely. Notice how the stock rode the bands higher, penetrating the upper band with each new candlestick. Avid Technology ran almost 10% in 30 minutes before any price correction. The key point to note is you want to see the stock not breach the low of the prior candlestick, and you want to see green candlesticks printing. If you see this sort of price strength, do not try to control the market, just let it run.
Please remember to like or share this video. To learn more about how TradingSim can help you become a profitable trader, please visit our site at tradingsim.com.